Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to share with you how you can get pink lips naturally at your home if you have dark pigmentation on your lips or if you have uneven skin tone on your lips. So this video is very effective for you, and in this process we have two steps, that is exfoliation and moisturization. Exfoliation will remove all the dirt particles and dead cells from your lips, and moisturizer will moisturize and make your lips pink. So be in this video, and in this video I am going to tell you very easy process how you can get pink lips at home naturally. So yeah, the first step is exfoliation. For this I am taking here honey. You have to take a brush with soft bristles. Just add few drops of honey in it. Few means 2 to 3 drops of only. And after this I am using here any toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste, but if you have white one, that is the best option. Now rub it on your lips very gently, so the dead cells will be removed and dirt particles will also be removed, and it will exfoliate your lips so that the blood circulation is in the form. Exfoliation is the process in which we are enhancing our blood circulation, and it will make your limbs plumpy and pink. So this process is very important before any lip treatment. Just apply it gently on your lips for 3 to 4 minutes, and if you have time you can take it 5 to 6 minutes. Now this is almost done, and I am going to wipe my lips with wet towel so that it will remove dead cells from my lips. Now coming to the second step, that is moisturization. This is very important, and for this I am going to tell you how can you make a effective lip balm at your home, because in this lip balm there is a natural color which your lips is getting time by time if you are using it regularly for 1 to 2 weeks. So for this I have taken here beetroot and just crushed it and take out juice from it. So as you can see that I am just taking out juice. Now after that I have taken a Vaseline petroleum jelly here in a small bowl. Only a small quantity of Vaseline petroleum jelly, and I am going to melt it with double boiler method. That is, take oil in a pan or any vessel and just put that small bowl in this. So as you can see that it started melting. This is very easy process, and just mixing it with the juice of the beetroot, so it will give a natural color, and Vaseline will moisturize your lips. Now after that I am using glycerin here, only 1 to 2 drops of glycerin. And the most important thing is vitamin E capsule. So I am taking here only 1 vitamin E capsule and mixing it all the ingredients very well. Just keep in refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you can apply it. So after keeping in the refrigerator I am going to apply it. As you can see that, just apply it gently on your lips before you are going to sleep, and if you are comfortable you can apply it in daytime, but if you are going to sleep and then apply it, this is the best option, best timing. Now you can see the pigmentation. Beetroot has natural color and it has good quality in making our skin pinkish. So yeah, this is very good for lips. And Vaseline will moisturize your skin. Glycerin will make your skin smooth. Lastly, we have used vitamin E capsule, which will reduce the pigmentation if you have dark, black, brown pigmentation. So yeah, this is all for the today, and this is, if you find this effective, please press the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and be with my channel for more concepts and for more videos. Till then, bye bye.